In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in an Audi A4 key fob. This is an easy process which you can do yourself at home. It'll just take a few minutes, and all you'll need is a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for a great price. And the only other thing you'll need is a smaller sized flathead screwdriver. It doesn't have to be this small, but I'll show you that in just a second. Now, all we want to do is flip this thing over. We'll be removing this back piece of plastic. So you can use a regular flathead, your smaller flathead. All you want to do is go into this indentation down here where the key ring is. We're going to go in and just pry this back piece right off. In here, you can see the battery, and there's this opening right on the side there. You will need something that can fit down into there, which will allow you to pry the battery right out. If you don't have a flathead screwdriver, I'm sure you could find something lying around the house like a paper clip or really just anything that can get in and under the battery here. But if you want to get this screwdriver that I'm using, which makes it pretty easy, I will put this little pack that I use in the description as well. And that's just, I think it's like $5 on Amazon. But all we want to do is pry the battery out, get your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, the positive side that has the plus sign on it should be facing up. You'll just simply click that down into place. And now we can put the back on there. And that is it. You've got a new battery in there that should last you a very long time. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you liked it, feel free to give the video a like or leave a comment. And if you ever need help with another key, you can always come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.